for they don't see anything to share. Brother, sister, I don't know you. If you know you took more than one thing from my party, you will pay dearly. I was ready for my party.
Wait, my people.
I bought things expensively.
For party.
I used table gas cooker share. I bought electric cooker.
This woman don't
I bought blenders. That set of blenders. I don't see anything. My people don't see anything. All my people when they say they come my party, they're thief things. They're thief things. Why? Wow, no, why human being not get sympathy for human being? Why human being gonna do this to a fellow human being? I don't ever go to party what go party say my boot go full. These people never ever go to party say I go see one pin carry go house. You know them my people. You know them. They say make I go cry. I go see how una take beat me join my team so. Una go return my team. Yes.
For abroad, they still go party.
If una for for party, una go stop her for very long.
Go cost go the
stop. As you see me so, I'm small bet mighty. Not be where you for no road and for no road.
Where they not
I go tell you where those money for come. When I take to my party, after spending more than 25,000 euros for party, I don't see anything to talk about. My people, when I suppose happy, when I suppose you still take share for, they don't see anything to share. Brother, sister, I don't know you. If you know you took more than one thing from my party, you will pay dearly.
You carry
I will summon your soul in the temple. I will summon those children in your house in the temple. That house will not carry my center. That children will take that house. Man will take that house.
Make you send them back. Otherwise, what is
sorry, my phone for woman ain't in the house. Children ain't in the house. Man ain't in the house. I will summon your soul in the temple.
Don't say you don't
know how money take come. Next time I don't see for party again.
Not be bad.
If you stop her for very party.
They give you good and fine. You
no, go try for any party again. As soon as not get sympathy chuka for my eye. I don't go get sympathy take chuka for my eye.
Now let you want to go the party. Not be only you want to go the party.
I don't go get sympathy for one chuka for my eye. Nothing next week I'm traveling to Tokai. Now tell my temple day. I will summon your soul. I will summon your children's soul. I will summon your soul. I will ask your children.
For abroad.
To your parents.
You not feel bad.
I will ask your soul. I don't do it for now. Since then, before I come out for this video, I have been sending messages to each and everybody saying, if you know you pack my things, you loot things at my party. Return it to your own address. I don't get to know who bring her. The Unofi returner for that. Ready for my party. I bought things expensively. I use table gas cooker share. I bought electric cooker. I bought blenders. That's set of blenders. I don't see anything. My people don't see anything. All my people, when they say they come my party, they're thief things. They're thief things. Why? Wow, no, why human being not get sympathy for human being? Why human being gonna do this to a fellow human being? I don't ever come a party, what's called party, say my boots go full. These people never ever go to a party say, I go see one pin carry call house. You know day, my people. You know day. They say make I go cry. I go see how una take beat me join my things so. Una go return my things. Yes. I go tell una say, if una for a thing for party, una go stop her for very long. Una go stop. As you see me so, I'm small bet mighty. Not be where you for no road and for no road. I go tell you where those money for come when I take to my party. After spending more than 25,000 euros for party, I don't see anything to talk about. My people, when I suppose happy, when I suppose they use things to share for, they don't see anything to share. Brother, sister, I don't know you. If you know you took more than one thing from my party, you will pay dearly. I will summon your soul in the temple. I will summon those children in your house in the temple. That house will not carry my teen center. That children will take that house. Man will take that house. Sorry, my phone for. Woman ain't in the house. Children ain't in the house. Man ain't in the house. I will summon your soul in the temple. No, don't know how money take come. Next time I don't see for party again. If I feel like doing, I'll stop her for Vera party. No, don't go try for any party again. As soon as I not take get sympathy chuka for my eye, I don't go get if I want to come for na eye. Nothing next week I'm traveling to Tokai. Now there my temple day. I will summon your soul. I will summon your children's soul. Una go answer. I will summon your soul. I will ask your children. Have I ever done it to your parents? I will ask your soul. I don't have to do it for una. Since then, before I come out for this video, I have been sending messages to each and everybody say, if you know you pack my things, you loot things at my party, return it, you all know my address. I don't care to know who bring her. The unafi returner for night, come keep her for outside of my house. So that anything when I want to do, una go know so I don't return her. I don't care to know who took my things. Una go judge, una just return her. But if you don't do so, after I don't give warning, I am going to summon your children's soul. Those house when I carry my things enter. Una go know say, Vera is not just a human being. Before person will chase that kind of party, you don't ever chase more than 25,000 euro party before. You never use those kind to take share for your party before. You know as I take get my money. Now for temple, they donate those money for me. Here's not temple I forget that money. Now temple I go summon a soul. Thieves! I'm robber criminals! People came to my party to steal and to destroy. Not to follow me jolly. I was thinking you people are human beings. I was thinking you people they called unafi consider for person. You came to my party not to consider for me. You came to my party not to feel for me. Do you know how much I spent? I'm still holding a lot of more than 23 people. Gift, Ashebi people. They came to that party, they don't see gift. Why you? You that did not pay a dime. Or you that even but just want Ashebi. Una carry more than double things. Carry go as God they happy say. Una hand meter. When I be normal human be like una. I don't be government property. Not be government give me money. Not be Nigerian government money I thief that do party. Una run enter my party. Begin to loot things. When I begin to hear information, they go say, they go run enter motor go carry things. Don't say how many don't reach your hand. 4. Now 10 go reach my hand. Don't run enter the office again. Don't go to parties. I be human being for Christ's sake. I be human being for Christ's sake. As you not get sympathy for me, I'm not gonna get sympathy take doing or something. Your children will pay. I said it. Your children will pay. Your children will pay. That's what I carry my thing center. Your children will pay. Your children's destiny. I'm going to hold it in my hand at the temple. This is a warning. A video warning. By next week I'll be the temple. You have nothing next week to return my things. You have nothing next week. Nothing can return her for night. Nothing can return or nothing post her. I'm not gonna send her call. You have nothing next week to return my things. Yes! Boy, girl, man, woman, wait there your house. Your destiny. I'll tell you, say, those idiot gods, they are hungry for children's destiny. Those idiot gods, they are hungry for children's destiny. Those 20 gods at the temple, we ask your children if I've ever done it to their parents. What you guys did to me is inhuman. I will suffer una. As you not get considering spirit for me. Una not say I be human being. Una not say I'm human being. Una they pack a thing so for party. I was in a happy mood. You people came to my party, don't destroy. Make her for not see money. Make her for not see things. Make people for talk say, I should brag rich, buy something, nothing. And true, people begin to say, they don't see drink. They don't see food chop. My own party. Where for carry get your cow? I don't see my own cow. I don't see my own cow chop. I never talk for the meat. Because food is meant to eat, okay? I should kill that cow, make people come chop. No problem. As I tell loot the meat, no problem. But you saw those gift items. I am telling you, Vera, your children's destiny, your children's soul will pay. Not be everybody everybody not be human being. We all know they sleep. They put it for one for the same direction. Everybody get where they get out clear. Do you know who I am? Not be the court where I dare you day. Not be the society where I dare you day. Not be the friends where I get, not be you get. Now temple I forget my money.
I'm not telling the whole world. Temple donated money for me for my party. Hence not they donate my money for me. I will summon your children's soul. I will summon your children's spirit at the temple. And they will answer me. I will summon your children, your spirit, your children's destiny will pay for it. Those houses will not carry my gift enter. Except what I'm saying, if you carry one gift per a person, you are free. Whatsoever want to go and do at the temple will not affect you. If you carry one gift per a person, whatsoever want to go and do at the temple will not affect you. If you carry more than one, you are a thief. Your children in the house with their destiny will pay dearly for it. We have 20 gods at the temple. 20 Indian gods. Try me. Try me. Try me. Try me and see. If I don't carry on children food for head, then they find me, they go, don't call me Vera. If I don't carry on children food for head, then they find me, they go at the end, don't call me Vera. This is not a Nigerian gods. We don't see finish. This is Indian gods. I know the reason why. Now because of human being like when I go join that gods. Now because of human being like when I go join that temple. Because of what you know they do person. Because of what you know they do person, I have to go and join temple. And they will fight dearly for me. I don't go join temple for anything. Now because of human being like una. Now I go join temple. I go Tokai, go join temple. Because I know that human beings are wicked. I know that human people are wicked. And this is the time I will use my influence. This is the time I will use those power, those gods to destroy your children. I don't see for an party before. I don't see anything can come out from an party before. May God punish all of you. May God punish all of you. Since what I do party, when I lead me to the talk. May God punish all of you. Human being, mother, father, consider thief at your age. At your age. Very soon all of you go carry grandchildren. You not consider thief for party. Those things can't you buy it? Are they truly the things that you cannot buy? If not for wickedness. If not for wickedness. Now the things one don't know if you catch money buy. What the attention and what you don't know if you buy. If not for wickedness. If not be wickedness when they worry una. Only you carry 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, boot full. All of you are boot full. Are animal. And we now go say, make I not crack on that. Make I say, what could challenge me for what I talk so. I go use your children and take answer them. If you challenge me for anything when I talk so, now your children will take carry, now you take carry what they ground so. Anybody will challenge me for what I do so. Now your children do not take career because I know how much I spent. I spent more than 20,000 euros. They do party for Europe. Nothing to write about. Are you mad? Are you mad? Come my party, come a thief. Una boot fool. I use una money do party. Una support me with 1 cent. Did you support me with 1 cent? Instead, now my money is follow una. What a curse. Una go know the day, the year when I meet Vera. This year, if I feel a thief for party, una go stop her for Vera party. Una go stop her for Vera. Now this Vera party will be the last. Una no go let thief again. Not be everybody they get her clear. We all know they get her clear. I get where they get her clear. I guess where they get her clear. Una go no see. Things where una put now so. It's too over una. It's too good over una. Your children destiny will pay for it. Your children's soul will pay for it. For the things wanna go thief for my party. The things wanna carry for my party. Your children's soul will pay. You will pay. Your children will pay for it. I don't care about you as the parents. Some people are gonna say their children not do anything. Are you fucking mad? Are you mad? Are you crazy? As a business, I get children. Before I do anything, and they look left and right because I have children. The belief they make parable say, if you don't they born, you're gonna put leg for grass small because of your children. There are many things what you're supposed to do because of children. You will not do it. Hence, you did not consider your children. I will not consider them. Hence, you did not consider your children before you call a thief for my party. I will not consider your children. Their soul, their destiny will pay. When I see get out next week to return my things. This is just an open message from the temple. Open message from the temple. When I get out next week to return my things before I travel to Itokai. I'll be in Itokai next week if I not return my things. If you return my things, there will be no problem. I don't fucking care who carry my things. I don't know. I know what not the name of the people who carry my things. But we have to see my things. Anywhere I see her, if you not give me, I will say, you are free. This one don't come out. If I go temple, anything when I do, not concern you. But if you not return my things, your children's destiny will pay for it. Your children's soul, they will pay for it. Those gods they are hungry. They are hungry for our children's soul. Animals. Mother go party, go thief. Father go party, go thief. At una age. Not be waiting and not go fit buy. Some of una children don't reach to give una grandchildren. Una say they thief. Don't be waiting and no fit buy. Una go come and they do kati. They loot my things for party as if I be government property. He come be like say na government house they open. He come be like say they open government office. Una need to go see how they push out of the office. They carry things without considering me. Una expect me make I go buy another one. Take share, give my honorables there, my people there. I'm owing more than 23 people I should be gift. No be say I not buy surplus thing.